Welcome to our guide on breaking down the food industry. If you're thinking of starting a food business, this video is for you. We'll explore the main types of food businesses in the UK and what you need to know to get started. It's not enough to just love food. You need to be passionate, resilient, and ready for hard work. So put on your chef's hat, grab a notebook, and let's get cooking. The UK food scene is a melting pot of cultures and cuisines. But no matter what type of food business you're running, food safety is paramount. Compliance with food safety regulations isn't a suggestion, it's the law. It's about protecting your customers and your reputation. So get your act together and make sure you're ticking all the boxes when it comes to food safety. Food manufacturing and processing businesses are the backbone of the industry. HACCP systems, or hazard analysis and critical control points, are essential for identifying and controlling potential food safety hazards. HACCP is about being proactive and preventing problems before they even arise. Traceability is crucial. You need to track your ingredients from farm to fork. If there's a problem, you need to identify it quickly and efficiently. So if you're in the business of mass producing those sausage rolls, you better make sure you're doing it right. Food retailers, you're the face of the food industry. Proper labeling is crucial. Customers need to know exactly what they're buying. Temperature control is another critical aspect. Nobody wants uncooked chicken or a melted ice cream. Stock rotation is key. First in, first out. Remember, you're dealing with people's health here. So get it right. The restaurant business. The competition is fierce and the margins are tight, but that's no excuse for cutting corners when it comes to food safety. Food allergen awareness is absolutely paramount. Your team needs to be well versed in food safety practices, from basic hygiene to cross-contamination. It's about creating a culture of food safety in your kitchen, so make sure your staff are trained to the highest standard. Street food and mobile catering have exploded in popularity. But just because you're cooking on the go doesn't mean you can compromise on food safety. Make sure your food stall or truck is clean and hygienic, with access to running water and waste disposal. And don't forget about the paperwork. You'll need the necessary licenses, permits, and training to operate legally. Trust me, you don't want to be on the wrong side of the law when it comes to food safety. More and more people are turning their passion for food into home-based and online food businesses. But don't think for a minute that just because you're working from home, you can slack off on food safety. You need to adhere to the same high standards as any other food business. Be professional, be organized, and above all, be safe. You're still running a business, so treat it that way. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has given you a clear understanding of the different types of food businesses and the importance of compliance with food safety regulations. Good luck with your food business journey. Remember, the food industry is tough, competitive, and demanding, but it's also incredibly rewarding. So go forth, be bold, be creative, and never ever serve a raw chicken.